Hello everyone, I'm Sneha. Welcome to my channel Mom and Daughter Handicrafts. I hope you all are doing fine. This video is all about a wall decor. Take two colors of your choice. Here I have taken blue and red. Mix it with little white. Here I have taken 6 mm square shape MDF board. Now with the help of sponge, paint your base. I'm applying blue at the top and pink at the bottom. You can apply second coat if your base is visible, but wait for 2 to 3 minutes and let the first coat dry. Now paint the edges of the square. Now with the help of Fevicryl mold it. I have made a square shape and added a note with a marker. This cute little frame is also made with MDF board, and I have used Fevicryl molded and made roses and leaves to decorate it. I have also made the grandparents and the grandchildren with the help of Fevicryl molded. We'll soon make a video on how I have made these cute little people. Now place them on the board. You can attach a hook or a photo stand at the back of the frame. And it is done. Hope you enjoyed watching. We'll be back with a new video soon. Till then, don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the like button and share the video.